There's a little bit of different things in here. They're pretty cool. But I'm gonna show you this. He looks like a dwarf kind of right now. The stand does this time of day. But they change throughout the day. But the gun's got some really cool faces on it too, like on the stand probably. You can move the stand like this. It goes, it sits up like that. And then you can shoot down, like I was saying, like that. Well, it looks like a parrot, you know. And you can see a face back there sometimes on it. Depends on the light. And, try not to block the light too much. I can get it in the middle.